Hey guys, here with CLEARBLAST, have a 150. I want to go over how to adjust your pot pressure. You can see here you're at about 90 psi. We want that to be at about 130. So first thing you're going to do, take off your right panel. You can see here we have our pump. Here is the regulator, or one of two I should say. First you want to see that this is at about 40 psi. We're going to turn that up. Alright, pump kicked a little bit there. Let's see. I don't think we're quite where we need to be yet. So we're at about 100. So it could be the second adjustment, which is your outgoing water regulator. We're still unpressurized here, just to catch you up on that. So we're still unpressurized. We're going to turn this regulator clockwise. And while I'm turning it, I'm going to look at my pot pressure. We can see that's starting to go up after one turn. That's about 120. One more turn on that. Should get us to about where we need to be, of 130. So again, I'm adjusting the T-handled water outlet regulator. You have a little lock nut here. Make sure that's also tight. Not to kill that. And then see that your knob up here is pushed down. I already did that actually. See that's pushed down to lock in that setting. So 40 psi, your pump regulator, your outgoing water pressure regulator, and 130 psi. Take care.